I'm Jose and this is Todd Holder with Huntsman Advanced Materials. We're here today at our Advanced Technology Center demonstrating our newest high-performance structural adhesives, Araldite 2050 and Araldite 2051. So Todd, show us what we have here today.
Thank you, Jose. For today's demonstration, we have some Araldite 2050 buried in ice. As you can see, the demonstration temperature is approximately 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This material also extrudes extremely well, applies quite easily, and bonds well at sub-zero temperatures, which is quite a challenge for many other extreme condition products. We've also had buried in ice 2 pieces of aluminum that we'll use for today's demonstration. We'll extrude a small bead of adhesive down one side of the aluminum, pull the other from the ice, and apply gentle pressure to the 2 substrates. We could bury it back in the ice, but to speed things up for you, we've got one piece that was prepared just a few minutes ago. As you can see, it's actually established quite good handling properties, even under this extreme cold condition.
Another great feature of Araldite 2050 and 2051 is that you can bond and cure underwater and in very humid conditions, even under salt water. Now I'll turn it over to Todd, who will demonstrate this feature.
Thank you, Jose. We'll take both coupons. We're using aluminum for today's demonstration, and we'll actually apply a thin bead of adhesive underwater. Not only will this can it be applied and bonded underwater, it can also be applied and will cure at extreme temperatures as low as -20 Celsius. Gentle pressure is applied to the substrates being bonded together. While that will finish curing underwater, we're going to pull a small piece out that was bonded less than 10 minutes ago. As you can tell, this has already developed very good handling strength. What you've seen earlier today are some examples of extreme bonding conditions with both of our Araldite 2050 and 2051 extreme bonding products. Jose, anything to add?
Yeah, these adhesives also have outstanding adhesion to multiple substrates, including metals, composites, and thermoplastics. These products feature great chemical resistance and require minimal surface preparation, as well as great aging property. So yeah, thanks for watching and learning more about the features and benefits of our new structural adhesives, Araldite 2050 and 2051. Please stay tuned for more information, and don't forget to visit our website, aralditeadhesives.com.